Sawadee ka!
Ampong ka! Yes, thank you very much.
Kawan mo sa tira, pagkata ng table dito, sir. Kawan pa kayo mo. Ayaw, makor, ma.
Hi, sir.
Ay, may lechon. Ito, oh.
Basta manok.
Lechon manok. Ano yan? Ice Squid Gate? Halal.
Ano? Pero ganito lang din naman mabibilan natin.
Punta na, tingnan muna natin, girl.
Chicken stew. Bili nga. Calamares lang.
Ito ang calamares na.
Magkano po to? 25? Kano daw? 25.
Dito mo na kaya ibawas.
Ano? Ako lang yung kakain.
Okay.
Bigyan ko lang ako. Barbecue mga diri lang. Yes, ma'am, sir. May native chicken dito, ma'am. They have their choices, ma'am. May kay Pampano, Kinilaw, Sinugba. Pwede kayo mag-Gcash payment, ma'am. Dahil lang ang rice diri, ma'am. Ma'am, dagang choices, ma'am. May Kinilaw, Sinugba, may seaweeds, may sea grapes. Pili lang po. Pari-pariho lang po lahat dito. Puro inihaw, ma'am. Wala po mga sabaw. Mga luto na ulam po. May squid, may tuna belly, tuna jordani, ma'am.
Eh, ito yung durian ice cream. Durian ice cream ata.
Try natin.
Mamaya? Ah, yung black charcoal. Mamaya try natin.
10 each, ma'am.
10 pesos.
Isa po atin. Gusto nyo ba?
Oo.
25. Gusto mo, sir?
Hey, durian. Ay, ang cute. May mga iba't ibang flavor.
Ilan ang bibili natin?
Apat.
Apat po na.
Sa Buchip ko magkano?
10. Ano, 10 na lang 25.
Gusto niyo? Ikaw, Rodora. Apat din po sa durian.
Apat ka durian. 25 po, ma'am. Apat po, ma'am. Sa baba.
Ha?
Wala tayo ito siya? Wala ka barbecue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pili lang po. Yes, ma'am. Mozzarella classic, ma'am.
Yay! Oh, sentensyahan na yan.
Lang din natin kaya.
Do the honors, Apple. Ay,
Alam mo nga kung ano mo.
init. Sarap.
Amaan. Ay, mano, pili lang. Yes, madam, pili lang po.
Ito kasi sa baba yung ano eh.
Kitang-kita pa sa video na naghati-hati tayong apat.
Kuha naman tayo.
For the taste lang naman.
Oh!
Ay, kaway sa bangko. Sa bangko, ha?
Wait a minute. It's so hard
Yes,
to
ma'am,
order.
sir, ha? Pili lang po, mga madam.
Ano? Sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
Sinaltan pa sarap. Sarap, diba?
Sarap.
Oh. Sarap.
Ala, ang hirap. Order ka?
Blueberry po.
Ano sa'yo, ma'am?
Blueberry.
Blueberry isa.
Coke yun, no? Galing, pinaksak lang nila. Naging
Kaya nga eh. Galing. Amazing. Sarap. Basta malamig at coke. Ah, blueberry coke. Enjoy siya, oh.
Ayan po.
Yeah, blueberry coke.
Sarap.
Gusto namin lumantak.
Sorry, wini-wait.
For the vlog.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to, madam?
Blue Martin, tama ba?
Good morning.
Blue Marlins pusit.
Martin.
Ay, ba't ito na lang yung pusit?
Ha?
Ikaw ba? Ang dami nilang kinuha.
Hoy, wala pa.
Hoy, wala.
Isa pa lang.
Ako. Tama ba?
Hindi.
Oo, pako. Tama.
Hindi ko alam. Basta alam ko laman dagat.
Mapulang manok at longganisa. Okay, kain. Try na natin yung Dorian Buchi. Arte.
Wala pang boses yan.
Okay na.
Lasa mo.
Ulam. Hindi siya matamis. Sarap. Lambot. Kumain na kayo.
I don't like it. I'm scared.
Bakit?
I'm scared of durian. I don't like it. I don't think I can eat
Kumain
it.
ka. Oh, madam. 10? Kumain ko sa
Okay lang
pesos
di yan
yan.
maubos. Tatakot ako, di ko ay, maubos eh.
Masarap yan for sure. Kasi siya nakakain eh. Market to eh.
Maamoy mo lang.
Ano mo na, pag nagustuhan mo, titikman ko din.
Saka pa. Saka pa.
Ikaw may gusto nito eh. Gusto niya siya.
Yan na. No?
Hindi masarap lang. Tamis. Ha?
Bakit?
Malalasaan mo lang.
Uy! Arte? Era! Awas eh.
Ano ba yan? Alam mo?
Maybe I would faint in front of you guys.
Ano? Tsaka malambot, no? Hindi siya yung parang ano. Oo, ako din.
Eat the last one.
Ayoko na.
Kainin mo na.
Napaka-heart.
Ang arte na kainis.
Yung sesame sila yung kinain.
Lakihan mo.
Yung parang kanin lang nakain.
Kainin mo yung gitna.
Ano po?
Long. Uy, ayok. Isa. One more. Tingnan mo din naman niya nakain yung gitna. Ano kaya yun?
Ano ko na? Ano ko?
Sarap mo eh. Dami.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan,
Chicken available,
magkanan
ma'am.
tayo, picture. Apat na ganyan.
Ah. Bali, 4 na cone na po.
Tell ko lang lahat, ma'am.
Ikaw, ano flavor?
Charcoal lang. I can't describe the taste.
Charcoal ice cream. Gawa daw sa balat ng mangosteen.
Ha? I like it.
Yeah. Ay naman, matamis.
Mangga yung sinisipila.
30 pesos lang isang cone. Pag sa 50. Din yung avocado. Tapos yung nasa ilalim is durian.
Dito sa mga on.
Ma'am, barbecue, ma'am, sir.
Sarap ng durian ice cream. Ko alam, ba't yung iba ayaw? Bakit kaya yung iba ayaw ng durian? Sarap-sarap.
I don't know why. Bakit kaya?
Siguro taga-China ako dahil. Char!
Sawadee ka!
Ampong ka! Naku, grabe. For the first time. Ganun pala to sa Ross Night Market. Parang budol. Kailangan diretsuhin mo yung estate kahit kakain ka lang. Parang IKEA. Yan tuloy. Shopping si Rodora. Shopping sa lugo. Kamusta? Tuk-tuk ride.
I love it. I love eating durian and riding the tuk-tuk.
It's
so much
mahal
fun.
ba kayo?
Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo, Philippines.
Sun's up high in the blue sky, sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name. Summer's here, feel the heat. Ooh. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Laughter ringing in the air. Every turn a new surprise. Adventure everywhere. Sun-kissed days and starry nights. Memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves. This summer's breathtaking.
Okay, so we're here at Chemas by the Sea. Ayan, so from their wharf sa Waterfront Insular Hotel. So, it's just a 5-minute boat ride. Medyo gloomy yung weather ngayon dito sa Davao. So, maganda mag-swimming talaga kasi hindi kayo iitim. So, siguro papahinga lang kami ni Onte and then swim na kami kagad.
music playing loud and clear, dancing till the break of dawn. Friends and fun without fear. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bonfires on the beach, stories shared under the moon. Every moment feels so bright. Summer can't go too soon. Sun-kissed days and starry nights, memories in the making.
Ayan, so ito yung paakyat na front desk nila for those na mag-overnight. Yan. Very kalmado lang dito. Maraming sceneries. Yan. May wifi naman.
Sun's up high in the blue sky, warm sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name.
This is the reception area.
Summer's here, feel the heat. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Laughter ringing in the air. Every turn a new surprise. Adventure everywhere. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sun-kissed days and starry nights, memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves. This summer's breathtaking.
Ayan, so nakapag-check-in na kami. Pero standard check-in is 2 PM, so wala pa kaming kwarto. Pero okay lang, ilang minutes na lang naman. Ayan. It means fully booked sila. Charot. Ayan. So, nakuha namin yung room namin. Good for 4 na siya. 14,000 something. I-flash ko na lang kung magkano. Kasama na yung breakfast for tomorrow.
How many nights for 14,000?
That's overnight.
Is it the villa?
No.
For 4 packs? Do I have my own room?
Hindi, kasi parang they only have 1 room category. Tapos parang nag-depend lang siya sa number of packs.
And number of
Kaya siya
beds.
naging 14K.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, mamaya mag-room tour tayo. So baka tomorrow, ito yung sa atin, plated breakfast. Yun siya, pork tocino, pork tapa, bangus. So pag nabitin kayo, order na lang. Charot. Ayun, so for sure dito na rin kami magdi-dinner kasi wala namang other choices. Yun siya. Tada! Ito yung mga seafood nila. Pampano, prawns, malabong pusit, chicken pesto, chicken.
Sun's up high in the blue sky, warm sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name.
Ongoing construction,
Summer's here, feel the heat.
renovation, or whatever.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Ayan, perfect.
Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Laughter ringing in the air. Every turn a new surprise. Adventure everywhere. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sun-kissed days and starry nights, memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves. This summer's breathtaking. dancing till the break of dawn. Friends and fun without fear. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bonfires on the beach, stories shared under the moon. Every moment feels so bright. Summer can't go too soon. Sun-kissed days and starry nights, memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves. This summer's breathtaking.
Hi guys! Alin?
Yung pala yun, with talong nito.
Walang garlic rice. Pero to.
Kaya pag pinalam niyo pagkain sa kampang.
Hotdog. Tapa, tsaka tocino.
A few moments later.
Hey guys! So yun nga, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog after nung check-out namin sa Chemas kasi super dami na naming dala. And then, yung kinagbihan namin, nag-dinner lang kami doon sa restaurant. So, ayun, I think it's just an intimate moment na hindi ko na siya kailangang i-film. But, overall, yung naging bill namin doon sa dinner namin sa Chemas, it's around 2,274. So, I think we had buttered garlic shrimp, and then we had pizza, and then we also had the fried chicken, tapos yung sharing ng rice, and then what else? Parang we had sinigang. Yeah, we had one soup. So, hindi na kami nag-drinks and dessert kasi pero kaming baon, diba, na grocery. So, yun. And then the next day, yun nga, may short clip ako dun sa breakfast nila, sa breakfast selection ni Chemas. Although, hindi ako masyadong natuwa kasi I was expecting na merong garlic rice, merong omelette, although may egg naman, pero it was boiled egg. And then, yun, medyo nagtaka lang ako kasi medyo merong, pang lunch na bayad, which is, pero okay naman yung lasa. I mean, if you're just like someone who wants like pancakes, bacon, so medyo, ibabaan natin yung expectations natin. Also, the coffee, it wasn't unlimited, so one round lang siya, and then yung cup nila is just like this. So, for us na addict sa kape, so medyo kinulang talaga siya. So, parang pagdating namin ng city, naghanap pa kami ng coffee. And then, yun nga. So, we went back to the city. Saktong check-out time, 12 noon. Because meron kaming, may kasunod down na mag-check-in dun sa room namin. Ayun. And then, so, yung boat from Chemas, and then, babalik siya dun sa wharf na nasa likod ng Waterfront Insular Hotel. And then, from there, nag-grab kami going to SM Davao Lanang. So, while waiting for our flight, kasi parang ang call time pa naman namin is 4 p.m. sa airport. So, we had lunch there. And then, akala namin merong SM Prestige Lounge para dun kami tumambay. And then, wala naman pala. So, ayun, hindi pala siya, selected malls lang pala siya. And then, yun. Overall, yung naging experience na namin sa Davao, I think it's unforgettable and really worth it kasi aside from the place, syempre kasama ko yung mga beshies ko. So, na-enjoy ko talaga yung trip na yun. So, ayun. So, since ang dami nga din namin nabiling pasalubong, we also bought marang. Tapos, hindi ko na-insert yung video na kumakain kami ng durian. Pero, siguro just watch my shorts. So, meron ako dun in-upload na parang mukbang video on durian. So, hindi ko siya masyado na-feel. Yung actual fruit ha. Pero, gusto ko siya if processed. Like, for example, sa ice cream, sa candy, sa buchi, yan. So, bet ko siya. Pero, I don't know. Siguro hindi lang talaga i-season ng durian nung nagpunta kami. So, and medyo expensive siya. It's 350 per kilo. So, hindi na kami nag-uwi. However, yung marang, yun talaga yung nagustuhan ko. So, it's 150 per kilo, parang ganun. Yung nabili ko is 350 siya. Kasama na yung container niya na styro. Na para, hindi siya sumabog sa airplane. Ayan siya. So, and then, yun pala, nag-add kami ng extra baggage allowance sa Cebu Pacific. So, for the 3 of us, it's 672. So, that's 20 kilos. And then, yun nga, sakto, yung extra baggage namin, pinagsama-sama na namin sa isang eco bag. And sakto siyang 20 kilos. Kasi 3 marang yung dala namin. Plus the other pasalubongs pa. Na food, puro yema, Lola Abons. Yan, yung mga durian otap, ganyan. Ayun. So, while we were there sa SM, so parang nagbili pa kami ng additional pasalubong. Like mga keychains, mga t-shirts, ganyan. So, try nyo rin i-check yung mga pasalubong sa Kultura, especially if you're looking for a nice quality t-shirt. So, hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. Parang, nabili ko yung isang shirt for 300, and then if you want na may kasama siyang mini pouch, 350. So parang same lang din sa mga mabibili nyo sa mga small stalls around the city, kasi we check out also yung available pasalubong sa Rojas Night Market. So yung isang shirt doon na color white, 300 din, ganun. Ang mura lang talaga sa night market. Doon na kayo bumili ng mga ref magnets and mga keychain kasi expensive siya kay Kultura. So, nabudol nga ako doon. So, akala ko kasi wala na kaming madadaanan na bilihan ng pasalubong. So, bumili ako ng ref magnet na durian. Ganito siya kaliit, guys. 129. Pagdating namin ng night market, parang 3 for 100 yung gano'n. So, wala natin magagawa. Ayun. So, isang pack ng keychain na nakalagay Davao. I love Davao, whatever. So, that's 11 pieces for 100 pesos. So, yun. Perfect siya pang pasalubong to your office mates, family, ganyan, friends. Ayun. So, ito na nga. Ito na yung total na nagastos namin doon sa trip namin. Per person, guys, ha? Per person. So, that's 15,516. Diba? Ang mura. Included na po dyan yung airfare. Yan. So, yun lang. Siguro ito na yata yung pinaka-affordable kong trip. I guess. Kasi parang sumunod dito is Boracay. Oo. Boracay. Yes. Because the last trip that I had last year sa Bacolod, hindi kami nag-budgetarian ni husband. So, kasi we did try their 5-star resort, which is Manami. So, yun. Pero kung hindi kayo nagtitipid, I would suggest you try Discovery Samal or the Pearl Farm in Samal. So, if you want a very luxurious experience, so yun. I think it's one of the best resorts out there. So, yung sa amin, yung Chemas, it's not budget. It's not luxury. Parang it's in the middle. And by the way, si Chemas owned na siya by Discovery Group. Yun. So, I think iba yung nagmamanage before kay Chemas. I forgot the name of the hotel group. I think service okay. Okay yung mga staff nila, mababait and all that. But I think the main thing that I would want them to improve is yung maintenance ng room. Kasi yung room na napuntahan namin, yung yung shower head niya merong leak. So, it was kind of a safety issue. Especially this sa mga kasama ko kasi they were like running na baka electrocute, which I cannot blame them. Yun. So, ano pa ba? I think yung lighting ng room, medyo madilim. It's not for barkada ambience kind of thing. Parang more on for honeymooners. Parang for us na malalabo na yung mata, parang kailangan pa namin mag-flashlight. Especially pag kukuha kami ng gamit dun sa cabinet. Kasi wala ding lights yung cabinet. Kasi usually for hotel cabinets, when you open it, parang may mag-open yung light. Yeah, so walang ganun. Also, it would be a sustainable practice if meron sanang water dispenser sa room or nearby. Kasi parang for us, we would still go to the restaurant to ask for a pitcher of water. Yun. So, ano pa ba? I think lifeguard sa pool area kasi walang lifeguard. Yung pool nila is hanggang 5 feet. So, I think pag may mga kids kayo, kailangan nyo talaga silang bantayan doon. Huwag yung iwan mag-isa or whatever. What else? Okay naman. Siguro, there was one incident lang the next day when we were swimming. Merong isang guest na ano siya ng sea urchin sa paa. So, I saw them na nag-respond naman sila immediately yun. Pero siguro dapat merong like waiver or something na or parang caution from their staff during check-in na parang, be careful, there might be sea urchins, ganyan. Ayun lang naman. It's not really big deal for us. Ayun. So, food-wise, yun. Breakfast, not good. Pero yung food itself, kapag umorder ka dun sa outlet nila, it's okay. Yeah. So far, sa lahat na nakain namin sa Davao, yun yung pinakamasarap namin nakainan, guys. So, how can I say it? Yung food, when it comes to food, if you're a foodie, I don't know if we just got on the wrong side of food reviews. Kasi, most of the reviews that I've watched, medyo na-recommend nila yung Jack's Ridge at first, yun. So, I don't know, siguro, maybe, I don't know. I don't wanna say much about other vloggers, food vloggers, ayan. So, I don't know, maybe it's a paid content, whatever, yun. I wouldn't recommend it, guys, but if you're there for the view, for the ambience, go for it, yun. Second, hindi na, yung night market, yung Ross Night Market, it's kind of overrated, I think, because yung quality of food there, I think you can, I don't know, yung nakain namin na ihaw, I think we were overcharged, especially yung sa inihaw na pusit, kasi when it was displayed, malaki siya, I like malaki, and then when it got served na slice na siya with the stuffings, and then parang it looks like it's only good for one person. I can eat all of it, honestly. So with its price, I'd sec Manila price. So anyway, tas yung barbecue nga, pansin ko lang sa Davao is they're leaning more on the sweet side of the inihaw. Parang the chicken, it's sweet. The pork barbecue, it's sweet. Tas may chorizo pa kami. So, for sweet. To compare with Bacolod type of inihaw, with Bacolod food, hands down, Bacolod, the best. Chicken inasal. Yan. So, also Cebu, sobrang daming masasarap na food. As in, parang, I can go there and just eat, yun. But the durian ice cream, the mangosteen ice cream, so good. Yun. So, if you're not a fan of durian, hindi ka din ma-overwhelm sa amoy niya kasi hindi siya ganun ka-strong. Also, the pancake, the Japanese pancake, yung hinila namin na may mozzarella inside, that was good and that was cheap. That was only 95 pesos. So, medyo nagkakahiyaan pa kaming umorder ulit eh. Ang dami kasing tao doon sa area na yun. So, yun, if I would if I could have the chance na bumalik sa Ross Night Market, yun yung isa sa mga babalikan ko aside from the ice cream. Yun. What else? Ayun, tsaka yun nga, yung layout kasi nung Ross Night Markets like IKEA, na parang you have to pass all of the stalls all over until the end para lang makapag-exit. You cannot exit kung saan kayo pumasok, guys. And then, there are barricades sa gilid. Hindi kayo pwede mag-over the back. There are police. So, don't mess with Davao Police. Ayun. So, we had to take tuk-tuk or tricycle going back to our Airbnb. Although, sobrang lapit lang nung night market sa place namin. So, yun nga. Sobrang pagod and mainit na din. Yun. So, we had to take the trike. What else? Siguro, yun lang naman. Yun yung for me, yung feedback ko kay Davao. But, yun, totoo yung mga, nababasa nyo or napapanood niya na Davao is indeed safe. It's a safe city, I think. Malinis, nakakapanibago, sobrang fresh air. Kahit nasa city kami, fresh air. I mean, compared to Manila na sobrang, alam mo yun, di mo alam kung fog ba yan o haze na pala yan yung nakikita nyo, ganyan. So, generally, kung mabibigyan ako ng opportunity to choose kung saan ako magre-relocate, siguro kasama sa top 2 ko si Davao. Yeah, it's either Cebu, Bacolod, Davao because first, I'm a city girl and doon sa Davao, kompleto lahat. May mga SM, may Robinsons, merong SNR, they have Ateneo, they also have Assumption, St. Scholastica. Basta yung mga best schools here. I mean, if you have a family, you have a kid na gusto mong pag-aralin sa mga top schools, they have it there. And also, yun nga, generally yung Grab doon sobrang mura. So, nakakapanibago. Parang siguro yung comparing from Avida going to Eden Nature Park, less than 1,000, parang 600 plus lang. Pero kung siguro sa Manila yon, siguro yung ganong kalayong distance, siguro abutin na ako ng 2,000. 2,000, yes, ganun siya kamura. Ayun lang naman. I think grocery prices are also the same since si SF naman same naman yan sila ng prices. Ayan, ganyan. So, yun lang naman, guys, and thank you for watching our vlog and stay tuned for my next travel adventure. Bye!